Beyond the Archipelago, Indonesian Culture Journey Through Modernization. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this beautiful day, I will take you all to the journey beyond the archipelago, exploring Indonesian culture of modernization. But before I take you all to the journey, I will introduce myself. My name is Tigo Pradana Ramadan from SMKN 1 Lumajang. So, Indonesia, our beloved archipelago, is a land where we were born. Indonesia is a beautiful country surrounded by 1,000 of islands and culture from Sabang until Merauke. We are blessed with 1,000 of culture, arts, languages, and traditional dishes that define our identity as a nation. However, as we look in the 21st century, we find ourselves on transformative journey through modernization. This journey presents opportunity and lots of new complex challenges that demand our attention and thoughtful action. Modernization has a lot of unpredicted advancement technology, communication, and globalization. And this is one of example of advancement communication. A lot of new information that came every day. If you realize, when you just wake up and check updated information in your mobile phone, usually the previous information and the new one is totally different. The information spread around the world faster than you think. That is the impact from communication advancement. However, there are new issues in our nation. Since Indonesia is a democratic nation, people are free to express their opinion, and the government has no full control over the media. So, we can just post the information in the media, and this is one of the main problems. Not all information in the media are real and actual. There are lots of fake information in our media platform. If we realize, lots of people in Indonesia categorized as low quality human resource because most of them just believe the fake information they receive. They don't know how to compare between real and fake information. They just read and accept. They just screenshot and share to their WhatsApp without knowing that the information is fake or real. Most usually, they simply share on family and arisan group, and then the false information can move from chat to chat and get viral. However, they have no idea who is publishing the material or whether it is accurate or not. The issues of false information in the media is not the only one. It is about our culture through modernization. Many of our culture are extinct because faded by the time. And not only that, we must also realize the richness of our culture, especially for the young generation. Many of them said, "Why are you wearing batik? It looks like old and makes you look like an old man." No, it's not. Batik is not old-fashioned. Batik is our culture. From the thousands of batik pattern in Indonesia, each motif carries its own meaning. Like it symbolizes endless struggle, persistence, strength, and the effort to never give up in facing life hardship are the meaning of batik parang motif. And do you know what the impact if we slowly leave our culture? It could lose the culture identity. But I have the good news. We can change that. The answer starts with education and awareness raising. We need to ensure that we and those around us are wise in our use of technology. Find out how to verify the accuracy of information, comprehend the source, and apply critical thinking prior to sharing anything on the internet. To enhance digital literacy, collaboration among schools, families, and communities is essential. Next, we must preserve and promote our culture with pride. Wear batik not only on special days, but a symbol of pride and identity. Learn about your local tradition, support cultural event, and encourage others, especially the young, to stay connected with their roots. Let's not treat our culture as something old, but as something timeless. Finally, balance is the key. Modernization is not our enemy, it is a tool. When used wisely, it can help us to protect our culture and even spread it across the world. Let's move forward, but never forget where we come from. That's all my speech today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.